Once you've logged into opposing viewpoints, you can type your topic into the search box or use opposing viewpoints exploration tools to look for ideas. This is a great database for browsing ideas, especially on controversial topics. To start browsing topic ideas, click on Browse Issues or scroll down to the Browse Issues area and you will see several topics broken into categories with subtopics listed below them. The number represents the number of topics in that category. Click on a category to browse the subtopics. Some will specify that they have been recently updated. When you find a topic that you're interested in, you can click on it. On this page, you'll have a number of resources related to this topic. You may also get a related topics link for further exploration. Already have a topic idea? Start a new search by typing in a new topic in the search box. You can do this from any page, including from the home page. Let's say we want to research COVID-19. When our results load, they will be organized by headers separating the results by resource type: academic journals, magazines, news, videos, and so on. The number next to each of these resource types indicates the number of results located in this section. Since we have thousands of resources, we will definitely want to filter these results so that they are much easier to navigate and more relevant to our specific research. We can filter our results a number of ways. To start, I would recommend browsing the subjects filter. Click on a subject to narrow down our results of COVID-19 and the subject term you click on. Subjects are also helpful to gather ideas on new search terms and helpful to give us ideas on how to narrow down our topic idea. You can also click on Search Within to type in your own keyword to narrow down the results list. I'm going to type in college students. While this greatly narrowed down my results, you'll also want to filter a few more ways. Your professors generally want you to stick to articles published within the last 5 to 10 years, so make sure to remove those outdated results by using the publication date filter. Some topics, like COVID-19, might even require a specific time frame. Anything prior to the start of COVID-19 may not be relevant, depending on the direction of your paper. Did your professor specify what type of resources they are looking for? Click on Document Type to filter these results, or refer to the headings on the results page to ensure you are looking for the right type of resource, whether it's an article from an academic peer-reviewed journal, a magazine, a newspaper, and so on. The filter area also has a box to check for peer-reviewed journals as well. Once you find an article of interest, you can click on it to access the full article along with a number of handy tools. Cite will give you a machine-generated citation. It's a good start, but these citations can often contain errors. Check out our citation guide for more help on citations. Send to will allow you to save and email the article. You can download the article, print the article, and there are more tools below for saving, emailing, and printing. This page also offers alternate ways of viewing and listening to the article. Found an article you love? Browse similar articles in the Explore, More Like This section, and take notes or click on the related subjects to redo the search using these subject terms. Need more assistance? Contact one of your friendly Cypress College librarians. We're here to help.